Hello everyone, I hope all are doing good. Today I come up with a new topic of class 8, chapter number 2, linear equations. So before going into the chapter, let us see few definitions. In this chapter we must really know about that. So what is an equation? See, equation is a statement, so in which there is an equality sign between two algebraic expression. What is the meaning of this? So it is a statement, okay, statement in the sense like it may be 2x equals 3, like that, okay. So it includes what? There is a equality sign exists between two algebraic expression. This is one algebraic expression, this is another algebraic expression. So in between these two there exists a equality. So then that type of statement we call it as equation. Now let us see another definition. Then what is meaning of linear equation? We know equation is nothing but it is a statement in which equality sign is existed, right? So now let us see what is the meaning of linear equation. The next definition you should know is linear equation. So what is linear equation? So it is an equation having only one variable. One variable is nothing but any alphabet, and the highest degree of the variable is 1. So if you consider any equation, okay, in that we have a variable, okay, the power of the variable, okay, the power of the variable should be 1. Then this equation we call them as linear equation. If it is 2, I mean x to the power 2, we won't call this equation. If any equation consists of x square, x cube, okay, or x to the power 4, we won't call this as a linear equation. Clear? So the power of the variable should be always 1. Then that equation we consider as linear equation. So example, consider 3x plus 4 equals 10. So x is the variable in this equation. So 3x plus 4 is in the left hand side and 10 is in the right hand side. So left of your thing is considered as left hand side, and right of yours you should consider as right hand side. This is another definition you need to know. Now let's move on to the solution of an equation. So how to find the solution of an equation, and why we need to find out the solution of an equation. So what is the significance of that, we will see now. So solution of an equation is nothing but, to understand this solution of an equation, consider one example, that is 3x plus 4 equals 10. So now try to substitute any one of the value to x, so that the entire equation on the left hand side will give you 10, so that LHS should become RHS. Then that number we will consider as the solution of the given equation. Try to consider x equals 1, try it out whether you will get 10 on the left hand side. So substitute here x equals 1 plus 4. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus 4, it will become 7, right? So it is not possible. Now consider 2, x equals 2, substitute in the place of x and solve it. 3 2s are 6 plus 4 equals 10. So 10 equals 10. As I told you, LHS is equals to RHS here. So which number we substituted to the variable so that it gives LHS is equals to RHS, that is x equals 2. So 2 is the solution of the given equation. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move on to the methods of solving the linear equation in one variable. So how to solve this linear equation? We have three different types of methods to solve the linear equation in only one variable. So you always remember, in your entire chapter you will learn about only one variable in the equation. Clear? So methods for solving linear equation in one variable includes three methods. The first one is balancing method. So how to solve this one? Consider the given equation. Okay. Now consider 2x. We cannot change anything with the 2x first. First we need to observe this one, so that we should try to cancel this minus 4. If I want to try to cancel this minus 4, I have to consider plus 4 on either of the side. Without altering the original equation, we have to consider the numbers on both the sides. So I will add plus 4 on both the side, so that minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. So here on the left hand side you left with 2x equals, on the right hand side you left with 10. Now I want to cancel this 2 to get the value of x, right? So for that what I have to do? Here there is a multiplication sign in between these two. As we know that we have to consider the reciprocal to get 1, right? So if I want to calculate, if I want to cancel 2, I have to divide this by 2 on both the side. Here add 4 on both the side. Here divide 2 on both the side. Now divide 2 on both the side, what you will get? 2 will get cancelled, x you will get on the left hand side, then here you will get 10 by 2. Try to cancel this one, 2 ones are 2 5s are, so x equals 5 you will get. So this is the first method of solving the linear equation. Try to solve another one. So another example is one by 3 x plus 1 equals 5 by 3. Here also first step what you have to do, if they given plus you consider minus, if they given minus you consider plus. So here write 1 by 3 x as it is. Now consider plus 1 and subtract 1 on both the side. So what you will get? Minus 1 equals 5 by 3 minus 1. So now plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. On the left hand side you have is 1 by 3 x equals, here take LCM, 5 minus 3 ones are 3, then whole divided by 3. Now I want to cancel this 1 by 3, right? So as we know that if they given a, to cancel a I have to consider reciprocal. If they given reciprocal I have to consider the number. So here I want to cancel 1 by 3. So I will do multiply 3 on both the side. So multiply 3 into 1 by 3 x equals, here 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 by 3 into 3. So here 3 will get cancelled, you left with 1x, here 2 into 3 6 by 3. Here both the number you can cancel by only one multiplicative, that is 3 ones are 3 twos are. So x equals 2. This is how you have to solve the given linear equation by using balancing method. Now let us move on to the second method, that is transposing method. So second method is transposing method. So consider one example. So consider the previous example only, that is 2x minus 4 equals 6. Here in the second method, that is transposing method, what I will do, I will transpose the another term to the right hand side. Now keep 2x as it is. Now transpose this 4 to right hand side. Now here the sign along with the 4 is negative. Now when this minus 4 transpose to right hand side, it will change its sign from negative to positive. So it will become plus 4. Here if it is plus 4, then when it is come to right hand side, it will become minus 4. Okay. So while solving the problem, you will get to know about this. Now add this one. So 2x equals 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10, right? So after this, what you can do, as we know that, divide this entire equation, divide by 2 on both the side. First step, you have to transpose the another term to the right hand side. Then in the next step, you have to divide it. So divide 2x by 2 equals 10 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled, then 2 ones are 2 5s are. So x equals 5. This is the second method, that is transposing method. Now come to the third method, that is cross multiplication method. The third method is cross multiplication method. In this, what you will do, see here they given in, if you consider in general thing like a by b equals c by d. Here you will cross multiply these two, that is a in numerator of the left hand side will be multiplied to denominator of the right hand side, and denominator of the left hand side will be multiplied to numerator of the right hand side. So in this way you have to solve the linear equation by cross multiplication method. So here ax plus b divided by cx plus d, it is in left hand side, and p by q in the right hand side. So what I will do here, I will multiply ax plus b with q and cx plus d with p. So after cross multiply, you will get equation in this way. Then you will multiply q for both the term, then p for both the term, and then you will solve it accordingly. Now take an example how to solve the linear equation by using this cross multiplication method. The first example is (9x) divided by 7 minus 6x equals 15. So here on the right hand side they have given only one term. Don't get confused. So nothing is there in the denominator, there will be 1. So cross multiply. So you have to multiply 9x with 1. So we know that when you multiply 1 with any number, you will get the same number, right? And multiply this denominator to numerator, that is 15 into 7 minus 6x. Now write 9x as it is, then multiply 15 inside. So what you will get, 15 into 7 you will get is 105, plus into minus, minus, then 15 into 6 is 90x. So now here variable is there, here also variable is there. Now better you send this minus 90x to left hand side. What will happen? Minus 90x, when it comes to left hand side, it will become plus 90x. So here plus 9x equals 105. So when you add these two, you will get 99x equals 105. So x equals 105 divided by 99. So think whether you can cancel these two by the same number. Yes, you can cancel it from 3. So here 3 3s are 3 3s are. Here 3 3s are 9. You left with 1. 3 5s are 15. So 35 by 33. This is how you have to solve the linear equation by cross multiplication method. Let us consider another example. that is 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 equals 2 divided by 5. Now cross multiply these two. So what you will get? Consider 5 to the 2x plus 1 and equals 2 into 2x plus 3. Multiply 5 inside. 5 2s are 10x, plus into plus plus 5 1s are 5 equals 2 into 2 4x plus into plus plus 2 into 3 6. Now send this 4x to the right hand side and 5 to send 4x to left hand side and 5 to right hand side. So 10x, when this plus 4x, when it comes to left hand side, it will change its sign and it will become minus 4x. Then this plus 5, when it goes to right hand side, it will become minus 5. So 10x minus 4x, that is 6x equals 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. So x equals 1 by, send this 6 to denominator. Here there is a multiplication sign, means 6 into x. Always remember, when there is a multiplication sign between any two algebraic expression, the number or variable, it will go to denominator. So now 6 will go to denominator. So the value of x is 1 by 6. So this is how you have to use the cross multiplication method. So I hope you understood all the three methods. The first method is balancing method and the second method is transposing method. The third method is cross multiplication method. Now let's see how to solve the linear equation having the variable on only one side. Okay. So next you will learn solving the linear equation having variable on both the side. In the sense, it may be, it is in both RHS and LHS. The next method of the next topic is solving linear equation having variable on one side. Means what? It may be in LHS or it may be in RHS, only one side. Okay, now consider one example, that is 5x minus 9 equals 11. So how to solve this one? As we know, just now I taught you, we can solve the linear equation by three methods. So any of the three methods you can use accordingly with respect to the question. Now I will use here balancing method. So 5x write as it is, add 9 on both the side. So here add 9 on both the side. So here minus 9 plus 9 will get cancelled. You left with 5x equals 11 plus 9 is 20. Now divide the equation by 5 on both the side. So 5x divided by 5 equals 20 divided by 5. So 5 will get cancelled. You left with x. Here 5 1s are 5 4s are 20. So this is how you have to solve the linear equation having variable on one side. Now we will see how to solve if it is present on both the sides. Okay. Now come to solving linear equation having variable on both the side. Means you have variable on the left hand side also, right hand side also. So how to solve this type of equation? Now I will use transpose method. So transpose minus 4 to right hand side. So what will happen? 2x equals x plus 2. This minus 4 will become plus 4 when it comes to right hand side. So 2x equals x plus 2 plus 4 is 6. Now I will subtract x on both the side to cancel the x on any one of the side. So what will happen when you do this? 2x minus x equals x plus 6 minus x. So minus x plus x will get cancelled. Here 2x minus x is x, means 2x minus 1x. So 2 minus 1 is 1, x is common thing here. So you will get 6. This is how you have to solve the linear equation having the variable on both the side. This is the theory part of this chapter 2. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please watch it more number of times to get clarity over the content, and subscribe to my channel if you are very new to it. If you already subscribed, please click the bell button and share it to all your friends. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will solve the example problem and also the exercise problem of this method. Thank you so much.